What's up, man?
What's going on, brother?
We got Bishop in the house.
Yes.
We got some parts here for us. We were going to do the DIY stand today. All right, so I put a video out a while back for this. I actually don't know what happened to that video. It's deep into my videos back.
Very deep, because I couldn't even find it.
So we're gonna do another video, man. A lot of people are getting the MCD access plate, which is here from Blue Groove Motorsports, or they're getting the Baja access plate from Axis, or the Losi access plate from Axis, and they're not wanting to buy the access stand,
Right.
because I think that thing is like $500 or something like that. So a lot of people don't spend that coin for the access stand. So I did a video a while back of a DIY stand, and it's been a while, so we're going to do another one here for Bishop. Actually, Bishop is going to do another one. I'm just going to record today.
Good luck.
And we're gonna walk you through this. It's real simple, real simple, real simple, you know. But anyhow, let the intro play, and I'll catch you right after. All right, guys, here are the parts we're gonna need. We got a tubing cutter. We got drill bits, 5/16, and a pilot bit. Drill, and then this is the swivel mount for the axis stand that can be used on the MCD stand from Blue Groove Motorsports and your beverage of choice. So we'll take the tubing cutter. There you go. I don't probably need a fresh blade on it.
Sorry, bring me out here. Got me sweating in the. It's
It was it?
a little bit. It's been. Oh, we haven't been tightening.
All right, good. Oh, you?
We were just do
Do a couple turns.
yeah. Well, yeah, it'll even feel better. All right, yeah.
Be out in the shade. If we in the shade,
Yeah, I know, right? There you go.
Oh, it came back off it. Okay. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
I'll just pull it off.
Yeah. Like a glove.
There it is. There's the piece. All right, we'll give it a little foul.
Yeah,
Set
that's
that
pretty
down a
sweet
little
though.
bit.
I could only imagine.
Yeah, can see how straight that is?
Yeah.
Straight cut.
All right.
Put a little foul, just a little foul on the top, just so it knock the burr down off of it.
Yeah, you got me out here putting all my skill. You don't do none of this stuff.
Hey, that's why we got you out here. Yeah, we good. We're actually gonna knock down the center of that too. Hold on. I got a round foul for that. Just in case you ever put your finger down that joint, you don't come back with a nub.
So let's go right around it.
Yep, go around a couple times. Just like I said, knock that little burr off down inside there. In case you ever gotta put your finger down in there. Good?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Yeah. That could be your finger going down that joint. I guess I should have put that in for tools needed, huh?
We didn't.
Take my
Cool.
beverage of choice. All right, we got that. Now we got to put the swivel mount on there, which is the same as the axis mount, so that we can mark that hole right here. See that hole? We got to mark that so that we can put this thing in a position, lock it in place. We can drill this out and we'll lock it in place, or you can remove the pin and allow this thing to swivel how you want it to any position to start to tilt. Now you can put two different holes in here, you know, one this way and then one that way, so that you can move it. You say you want to move it to this location to be able to tilt it, whatever.
Okay.
That's up to you. I just had just one. Now, hindsight 2020, when I did mine over here, I just put it on here, marked it, drilled it, done. I ain't even think about the way this thing's gonna tilt. So thinking about it now, hindsight 2020, I wanted to tilt in a location where the foot is at. So it gives you a little more stability.
Got you. So
Exactly.
Okay.
So we're going to get a marker, which is another tool I should have had out. Let me go get that. Here is the silver marker, and then we got the center punch.
All right. So just right in the right.
Yep. Just how you. Yep. We're gonna mark that side and the other side. There's your center punch. Automatic center punch is one you don't need to use a hammer. Just push it and the spring tension will mark it center.
It's perfect. Just open it up.
Yep.
Then
drill on both sides.
So just drilling on both sides.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
All right.
Because
I don't need no.
I know I can't. Yeah. You want some safety glass.
Boom. One more thing inside.
Yeah, one more tool. At the end, we'll do a complete list of tools we need.
I'm like, man, look at you. I got the Michael Jackson safety glass. That mean that it worked. Yeah. Gotta clean my workspace.
Mm-hmm. And get inside and outside of it.
Oh, like a glove.
So we should be able to drill it out with it on there all the way through.
Uh-oh. Let's see.
There you go. See if that works.
Thank you. Better.
There it is. Straight through.
Perfect.
All right. So let's pull this off, knock that burr off of there,
Right.
and then should be good to go with
You
that.
want to do one more side, or you just see what should be
That's
good?
up to you. If you want to change and do 90 degrees, it's up to you.
We know. Let's see. Whoa!
Now, like I said, this won't even be turning that much. You just had that in there for most of the time. Most of your swivel will be up top.
Yeah. But that was cool.
Yeah.
Nice little hole worked out quickly. Boom. Boom. I figured.
Yep,
just
there
hit
it
it in.
is.
All right, perfect.
Yep. We got a Blue Groove Model Sport access plate here.
Boom, yay.
Now, I usually take a little bit of grease and put it just on the inside of this. All right, just a little bit. Jeez, just a little bit, don't need much. Just to help it spin around while it's on there without causing the friction.
Gotcha.
Good glove.
Ooh. They spinning. They spinning.
And this is what we use. You can get these at Harbor Freight.
Yep.
PTO pin assortment comes with all different sizes. And we'll
use the top one.
I don't know, whichever one fits.
This one straight through.
Yep.
So the little ones go.
The
little ones go up front.
In the front.
Yeah.
Yep, in the front. The little ones go in the front.
Yeah.
Little ones go in the back. Now, how you know which one's the front?
Because I cheated.
Oh, snap. Look at that. I ain't get that with mine.
Upgrade, baby.
Yeah, that's what's up. They got to get little instructions on the jump.
It was nice doing this. It was pretty cool. Simple,
Yeah.
sweet.
Let's try half inch. I think of half inch.
Hold on, bro. It didn't fit.
Huh?
Didn't fit.
Which one?
Okay. Did it fall in on that side?
Yeah,
Okay, it fell. Okay.
All right, so it's on there. It supports the weight of a small block MCD. We'll try the big block later. All right, so let's so it spins, no problem. And then, like I said, you can take this. It was just $40, $50 for the part for the stand speaker.
Yeah, that best 30, 40.
Yeah, $40 for the actual speaker stand. And then we got the swivel mount, which is another 50, 60 bucks, right? So you're looking at
maybe $100.
Maybe $100 with shipping. Yeah. Everything on Amazon Prime, 2-day type shipping. All right, let's go ahead and see if it tilts. Don't let my car hit the ground, yo, if it don't.
I'm not going to tilt it. I ain't going to tilt it. Cause
you gotta pull that pin out.
I gotta pull that pin out.
Yeah.
All right. Hold on.
It's a photo floor.
Really, bro?
That's how the kids do.
You got the pin out?
Yeah, I got the pin out.
All right, let it go.
All right. Ooh, I got it up front.
And we got to get the RC Ohio, which calls for this? The knobs, to make it easier. Instead of having to use a
I got you.
9/16 on there.
Okay.
RC Ohio makes some knobs for that.
This will just slide when I put it in there.
Trying to get it flat.
Yeah.
Got it? Why you push it on there?
Yeah, that's what it was, because it pushed it down. Okay.
This is a safety mechanism here.
Right.
You know what I mean? So you can pull that out now, and it still shouldn't swivel, but you can loosen this up with the RC Ohio piece.
Right.
And then tighten it up when you need to.
Gotcha. And tilt it fully.
I'm gonna go get it.
It's working.
This plate should fit the R5, XR5, XS5. It should fit all of them.
All the plates, yeah.
So you should be good to go.
Everything, the ride is just a smaller body.
Yep.
I mean, Dukes is a smaller
Yep.
body.
So there you go, man. That's how you do it. That's how you do a DIY speaker stand. So if you guys are looking for a cheaper way of doing this, now I ain't gonna lie, the Access stand is vicious. I love my Access stand, but if you want a trackside stand or just something lightweight, go ahead and get that. All right. So we'll catch you on the next one, y'all. Out. Hey, you wanna say out, bro? You wanna say out?
Not today.